So here's how to insert online videos in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all you need to do simply go with the insert option on the left upper side. So select the insert, and under the media section you'll probably see this online videos option. You need to select that one. Alright, so now as you can see the supported video providers. So if you have selected any of the videos from these sites like YouTube, SlideShare, Vimeo, StreamTed, SharePoint, OneDrive for Business, these are only the supported videos that will appear in your Word. So you need to select the videos from these sites only. So let me just show you real quick. Now as you can see, here is one of my videos, so I will tap on share and copy the link from here. All right, then if we go back and paste our link right over here, then we got a insert button on the bottom side. So you need to select that one, and it will take some time, and as you can see we insert the online video into our document. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.